Dr. Deepa Shetty here, speaking from a clinic called Sakhyam. The mission of Sakhyam is well-being world. On day 1 of Mind Gym, we observed our feeling and named our feeling. On day 2, we are going to go a little more deeper and observe the thought behind that feeling, and let's see what do we believe about that thought. We believe all our thoughts. Trust me on this. We believe all our thoughts and we think they are reality. Let me show you how. So, one example I'm going to take you about daily life, and the second example I'm going to take you about the health issues that we face. Because being a doctor, that comes easily to me, and I can relatively tell you how actually disease is just 1%, rest all our thoughts. So, somebody texted you, or rather you texted somebody and the person did not reply. When the reply did not come, your mind went, probably that friend does not like me, or probably I am not important, or that probably that friend is an idiot. He always does this. He just ghosts me all the time. So many things happens behind one thing that actually happened. What actually happened? The friend did not reply. That's the reality. Rest all that was there are the stories that you created in your mind behind one simple thing. So when you look a little deeply, you will see that these stories are just assumption. They are just conditioning of your brain. They are just a pattern which has made you the way right now you are, So what's important that you realize this, that your thoughts are not reality. Second example will be about your health. Like suppose just a chest pain happened. The second thought is, oh my god, did I check my cholesterol last month? Is it a heart attack? Is it something to do with my stress? Should I reduce my stress? Should I eat normal? So one sensation happened and so many thoughts happen behind that sensation. Those thoughts are going to create a lot of anxiety within you. You're going to become uncomfortable. That's going to create a fear, and hence your anxiety level will increase and the chest pain might increase. So these thoughts are not the reality. The reality is you had a chest pain. It's just a fact. Rest all depends upon what you do after that. If you calm down, relax, it will go. If you don't, then probably it will increase. Hence, it's important that you understand your thoughts are not the reality. Reality is just 1%, rest all is the story that you create behind it. So today, on day 2, we are going to observe 3 thoughts in your mind that happens today. And we're just not going to analyze or judge those thoughts. We're just going to observe those thoughts. The moment you pause and you observe, you stop becoming that thought. The moment you pause, you create gap between you and your thoughts. And in that gap lies the awareness. The moment there's an awareness, you break the autopilot. You break that loop of fear, anxiety, and doubts. And hence, you become the person you are rather than becoming the thought that is creating in your mind. So, once you observe that, you will know that your thoughts are repetitive. They are not the reality, they are just repetitive. And when you repeat it so many times, they become your reality, when actually they are not. To break this cycle of looping and repetitive thoughts, it's important that you pause and create that gap between you and your thought. Stop becoming your thought and be the real you. Hope this video has added some value to your life, and write in the comment section when you observe your thought today, just a 3 thought in a day, what did you observe? Did you find them true or repetitive? Thank you. See you again.